So we're going to start with number one. Number one is real, it's real. Everyone would have this in there, but you don't really understand how you can add more details to make it more to eliminate any kind of misunderstanding. So number one is going to be the detailed scope of work. Now, like I said, when it comes to draping, you pretty much just think, oh, I'm supposed to get there. I got to set up. Then I got to go back there. I got to break down. But guys, it goes so much more than just that, the realm of you doing the actual work. You want to be real clear and you want to outline the scope of your work that you're going to be providing for your client. Because at the end of the day, guess what, guys? They don't really know all that's involved with what we do. You want to put things in there like the type of draping you're doing, right? If you're doing a double layer, or not double, the layers doesn't really matter, but if you're doing double panels, if you're doing wall draping, if you're doing ceiling draping, you definitely have it in there. I learned in draping until I just started dealing with repetitive clients, right? They don't know nothing about draping. They just want you to come and make it look beautiful. And the things that they see online, or the things that they go and look on the Pinterest boards, they have no idea how much it costs. They have no idea what the names of it are. They don't know. So you, as the professional, should present yourself professionally and outline these things in your contract to better educate them on what it is. Most people will say, hey, I just want this backdrop. Was that a premium backdrop, a deluxe backdrop? Is it a double layer? Put the dimensions in there. That's